Join me as I challenge myself to incorporate as many healthy seeds as possible into my diet for a whole week. Incorporating healthy seeds into your diet is an incredible way to boost your overall health and well-being. Seeds are packed with nutrients, protein, and healthy fats, making them an amazing addition to your meals. From improving digestion to supporting heart health, the benefits of seeds are endless, and today we're going to dive in and explore how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to incorporating seeds into their diet is finding ways to make them taste good. I mean, let's be real, seeds can be pretty bland on their own, and it can be hard to know where to start when it comes to adding them to your meals. But the good news is that seeds are incredibly versatile, and with a few simple tips and tricks, you can easily add them to your favorite dishes. Another common challenge is that people often think seeds are only for smoothies and salads, but the truth is, you can add them to so many different types of dishes. From breakfast bowls to lunchtime soups, and even dinners and snacks, seeds can be incorporated into almost any meal. And the best part is that they can add a huge boost of nutrition and energy to your diet. So, how do you get started with incorporating seeds into your diet? Well, one of the easiest ways is to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake as you get used to the taste and texture. You can also experiment with different types of seeds to find the ones you like the most. One of the biggest misconceptions about seeds is that they're only for health enthusiasts and fitness fanatics, but the truth is, anyone can benefit from adding seeds to their diet. Whether you're looking to improve your heart health, boost your energy levels, or simply feel more full and satisfied, seeds are an amazing addition to your diet. Chia seeds, for example, are an amazing source of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber. They're also incredibly versatile and can be added to everything from smoothies to baked goods. Flax seeds, on the other hand, are a great source of omega-3s and fiber, and are amazing in oatmeal or yogurt. And pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium and zinc, making them an amazing addition to salads or soups. When it comes to incorporating seeds into your meals, one of the easiest ways is to add them to your breakfast routine. You can sprinkle chia seeds on top of your oatmeal or yogurt, or add flax seeds to your smoothie bowl. And if you're looking for a more substantial breakfast, you can even make a chia seed pudding with almond milk and honey. One of my favorite recipes for incorporating seeds into my diet is a simple seed granola. All you need is a mixture of oats, nuts, and seeds, baked in the oven with a little bit of oil and honey. It's an amazing snack to have on hand, and you can customize it to your taste by adding different types of seeds and nuts. Another great way to incorporate seeds into your diet is by making a seed butter. You can blend seeds with a little bit of oil and honey to make a delicious and healthy spread. And the best part is that you can customize it to your taste by using different types of seeds. Incorporating seeds into your diet is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you. Whether you're looking to improve your health, boost your energy, or simply feel more full and satisfied, seeds are an amazing addition to your diet. So, take the challenge with me and start incorporating healthy seeds into your diet today. If you have a favorite seed or recipe, leave it in the comments below, and check out my other video on healthy eating tips and tricks.